Today we're going to be making real-life Moonstones, an in-game currency found in the new game Disney Dreamlight Valley.
There are so many different ways you could approach making your own Moonstones. Sean and I have come up with 3 different ideas that we want to share with you today.
Paint circular rocks that you can use to decorate your house.
Use polymer clay to make smaller designs like keychains or earrings.
Paint nightlights that actually glow like the Moonstones in the game.
As usual, we have to gather some supplies. Stay right there, we'll be right back.
We've got the stuff here for our 3 different projects to make Moonstones here at home. We're going to be using these circular stones and we're going to be painting them to look like Moonstones. They could be used for like a paperweight or just for decoration around the house.
For our second idea, we have this polymer clay kit. This has a lot of different colors and also some tools and elements for things like keychains and earrings. Polymer clay is the stuff that you bake. It stays soft until you put it in the oven. It's not like the air dry stuff.
For our third project, we have some circular nightlights and we're going to be painting those to look like Moonstones, and the hope is that they'll actually glow through the paint once we finish with them.
Moonstones have a dark blue base. We want something that's really strong that will hold up to moving it around tables and things. So we think that a glossy spray paint finish is actually going to be the best. We're going to spray those and let them cure before we move on to the next step. So it's been about 5 hours. We painted both sides with 2 coats each. Now they're dry to the touch.
They turned out so cool. They're like heavy duty, but they look really cool. So you have the dark moon in the middle and then the shimmery outside in the circle.
We want to block out a moon before we start painting that glow. We're going to cut out moon shapes and press them down, and then when we paint around it, we'll wait for that to dry. We can pull the moon off and it should leave us with exactly what we're looking for. So let's each take 3. Ooh, this one's a little stuck to the cardboard. Whoops. Oh,
these look really cool. It turned out so awesome.
Oh, you got one that was stuck. Put this off to the side.
They look really cool.
We have a little bit of freezer paper. This stuff's great because it's plastic back, so your paints don't seep down into the table below. And then we also use aluminum foil to put our paints on and kind of work around it. This is roughly what a moonstone looks like. We made a bunch of different sizes so that you can get the right ratio of moon to the circle.
I think the 3-inch. Oh yeah, because the circle fits inside of it.
These are 3-inch stones.
These are 3-inch circles.
Part of the fun could actually be looking around and hunting for your own stones. We just bought these stones online. We figured 3 inches would be perfect because it could possibly be used as a drink coaster.
I didn't even think about that. That's a cool
paperweight,
idea.
A bunch of different things. We have some vinyl that you would normally use on a vinyl cutter, like a Cricut. We don't want to get the Cricut out just to cut a little bit of a moon shape. So we do have an X-Acto knife.
X-Acto knives are a little more affordable than a Cricut.
These are extremely sharp. We figure we can cut out the moon in our template, lay it over the top, cut into the vinyl, and pull that off and put 3 moons.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
So we're gonna do that. Let's start out by cutting our 3-inch circles out with scissors.
Okay.
If you want to download this template, check our website, replicatethemagic.com. We'll put it on a page linked to this video. I'll get started cutting out my moon. The nice thing about having a template like this is we can use it to place our vinyl so that the moon is in the correct place on each of the stones. So have you enjoyed playing the game?
Yes, it's so fun. I unlocked the beach area and the forest, and I'm working to unlock more areas and characters. But it's such a fun game, you guys should all play it.
What's kind of the gist?
So basically, you're this random person that comes to this place called Dreamlight Valley, and there's all these Disney characters there, and some that used to live there and they're missing. And it's basically your job to kind of fix the place up and make it feel like it used to feel, because there's been like something called the Forgetting, where it kind of made the land feel kind of desolate and evil, and you're kind of cleaning it up, sprucing it up, making it nice again, and then you're trying to find the characters that were lost and bring them back to where they used to live. So it's pretty fun.
Okay, I just finished cutting out my moon, so this will be used kind of as a template.
I've never used an X-Acto knife before.
That's upside down.
This is dangerous. Okay.
So you want to kind of hold it on an angle, just like this. You'll kind of hold it on an angle like that, see? And I'm going to just pull.
Oh, like holding a pencil.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you kind of pull the blade. Watch out so you don't cut your fingers. Exactly.
Oh no, I'm going off the trail here. Let's see if we can correct ourselves. Oh gosh.
You got this. It is a little bit crooked.
Oh no.
If you're better with scissors, feel free to just do it with those instead.
Some of us weren't made to use X-Acto knives. Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
You might have better luck actually using this to trace the moon onto the vinyl before cutting it out.
Oh, that's a good idea too. I think this is a right-handed X-Acto knife.
Nope, no such thing. Nice try. It looks exactly like the moon you cut out.
Yeah, I know. That's not a good thing. I'm gonna kind of round the edges a little bit here.
So we're just using pencil to draw 3 moons. I'm going to just roughly...
You already did all 3?
Yeah.
Just so y'all know, I am proof that you don't have to be super artistic to be able to do this.
Sean's a good sport wanting to do all these crafts with me. I'm more the crafty person here.
I enjoy the food more than the crafts.
If you do prefer the food more, please comment below and let us know.
Oh, that one actually turned out good. That
Good
last
job.
one. Okay, I don't feel as bad now.
Comment below if you want to see more food videos than crafts, or if you like the crafts.
I think it's good to have a mix. It's fun to see both sides of things. And we may add in some things that aren't food videos or craft videos. You'll have to keep watching to find out. So if you're enjoying this video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you along for the ride. Also, please ring that bell so that way you're notified when we post new videos each week.
How's yours coming along?
It's okay. It looks kind of like an artistic choice.
Do you want me to cut out 3 new moons for you?
No, look, those look good. What's wrong with that? It looks like a great.
Okay.
It's an artistic choice, and I think it's going to pay off.
Just pull one of them off for now. Just like that. So here I have a moon, it's sticky. You could also use tape, like electrical tape. And I'm gonna use my paper stencil like this. Drop the vinyl exactly where it needs to go, and I can pull the stencil away and push that down.
Voila.
Yeah, and you wanna kinda scratch that down because we're going to be painting around it and you don't want paint to seep underneath.
I might have the backing almost off on my first one.
Okay, if you just cut your fingernails, good luck.
Yeah.
If you have long fingernails all the time, more power to you, that's awesome.
Oh, that's very centered, is it?
Did you use your paper?
Yeah. Oh,
Or be adventurous and do it by eye, don't use a stencil.
I say be adventurous.
We have a couple different kinds of foam brushes. We have these little ones, and then we also have some makeup brushes.
Cool.
That's what those are.
Oh,
those
cool.
are actually wedges.
Oh, nice.
So,
Okay. Which color blue are you thinking? Like this one?
so
I
the
guess we
colors,
can kind of do like a ombre effect.
yeah, it's kind of a mix of these 3 blues. And then we have the darker blue just in case we mess up and need to retouch.
Need to cover
anything.
the arm mistakes.
So we've got a good selection of blue, and there's gonna be some dots. So once we're done painting, our last one will be dabbing a little bit of white around the moon. I think we wanna actually paint the glowing portions on our nightlight as well.
Oh, okay. What about the dark blue parts of the nightlight?
We'll paint the blue moon after, so it's the very last layer.
Oh, okay, cool.
And that'll keep it crisp. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. And you can see my pretty paint dots. Okay, I'm gonna start going for it, okay? I'm going for it. This is glitter paint?
It says it is on the
Oh
front.
yeah, I see some glitter in there.
Does it have glitter?
Yeah, it totally does. It's
Okay.
like iridescent.
Here's a sponge for you.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, wow. Which one is your glitter paint?
This one.
Oh, wow.
You have to look close at it. You'll see it. I bet it'll look cooler when it dries.
Okay.
I bet you want to keep the layers thin
Oh.
because then it will look a little better.
It's this extreme glitter hologram. Oh, wow, there's a ton of glitter in there.
Oh, that looks really cool already, I can tell.
Whoa. That's a good way to do glitter. Oh, it's pretty.
It's really cool. Might be able to see some of the shine on the overhead camera there. I'm kind of trying to put a little bit on there and then like spread it out so you get just kind of a glittery residue.
Whoa, okay.
You can see
That's
it.
awesome.
Yeah.
The nightlight is roughly the 1.5 inch It's more 1 3/4, I think. I'm gonna just trace. You probably want 2 or 3 layers of this.
Yeah.
That's kind of what mine are looking like.
Looks good. Oh wait, do you want to be in mine? Be real?
These are LED lights. If you're going to paint a nightlight, do it at your own risk. Be very careful. It is modifying an electrical device, and you definitely don't want to burn down your home. Do it with caution. This is an experiment to see what it looks like. Don't leave them unattended. One moon looks a little bit smaller.
That one looks like exactly like what it's supposed to look like. You did a good job.
That glitter paint smells so much like a pot sticker.
Like a pot sticker? Does it smell like soy sauce? Of all things. If you buy this glitter paint, you will also get a fabulous aroma of pot stickers. Should we set these somewhere to dry and start on the third project?
We're going to do the polymer clay kit next. So we've moved our moonstones back here to dry, and we're going to work on that second idea. 1 and 3 are pretty much done.
Yep.
So idea 2 requires this kit of polymer clay. Polymer clay stays soft until you bake it, and it's kind of like a plastic once it's baked. My hands are a mess.
Mine aren't too bad.
Oh well. We might have to come back and use this to make some of the jewels and like the dream shards and things from the
Is
game.
there any moons on here?
No? Okay.
That's a good shade of blue. And that one.
There's even a little, that tool.
Ooh, one of those things.
Fun, one of those.
Whatever those are. Just kidding.
Okay, look at the instructions really quick. So this kit can do quite a few things. So let's do a key ring and a brooch holder.
Okay.
These directions say that you're going to bake it in a preheated oven between 248 to 266 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 30 minutes. What I want to do is build a base of my moonstone, the darker blue.
Yeah.
Maybe put some of the lighter elements in and spread it. And then once that's done, I'm going to make a moon out of the dark blue.
Okay.
And then push it in.
Oh, I can do the brooch holder. That would be cool.
Okay, I'll do the key ring.
Okay. Those make me feel like I'm a mime. This looks like gum. Don't eat it. It's not gum. Oh no.
Blending the colors is going to be a little tricky.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to blend with this stuff.
My uncle used to make cartoon characters out of polymer clay. Kind of credit him for introducing me to this. It's a fun way to do stuff you want to last for a long time. Ooh, look at that. Look, if you kind of drag it through
that's cool.
and rotate it through, and it'll get kind of a swirl.
Too far with it.
I know. You make a really flat.
Yeah.
Because yours is a brooch, you're not going to even see the back.
Yeah.
But mine you will because it's a keychain.
Oh yeah, so you may want to do it the same on both sides if you can.
Got an idea. I think mine's good. Look at that. That side's the better side.
That looks awesome. Here's mine.
Here's my keychain.
It's more like a pin. But yeah, it's cool. Turned out all right.
So let's put them on our baking sheets.
Okay. While Beau's keychain and my pin are baking, we're gonna go ahead and test out these night lights because they are dry now. The grand reveal. Oh, that one looks cooler. I like how you can see the blue around the edge more.
These are still hot from coming straight out of the oven, but once they're cool, it'll be nice and plasticky. We have our 3 different options. I think all 3 worked out pretty well.
It was such a fun project. If you haven't tried out Dreamlight Valley yet, I would highly recommend it. It's such a fun game. I've played it and it's a blast. We're not sponsored by them, but I just wanted to recommend it to you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you.
Thanks again for watching today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks.